everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is pan-fried pork buns called 水煎包, which is a traditional food with a history of more than 500 years in China. At that time, it was mainly popular in the central plains of China. Unlike steamed buns, it has a crispy, hard base, giving it a richer texture. Let's get started. Make a dough as usual. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 milliliters of water, 1/2 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add yeast, sugar to the flour. Slowly add water. Stir in as you go until the water is used up. Then knead them into a dough with your hands. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 40 minutes. Next up, make the stuffing. Today's filling is a combination of Chinese chives and pork. Of course, you can choose other fillings you like. Prepare 250 grams of pork, 7 grams of ginger, 27 grams of scallion. Cut the pork into chunks and cut the scallion into sections. Put them in a blender together with the ginger. Beat them. Transfer to a big bowl. 100 grams of Chinese chives, finely chopped with a knife. Look at the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of spice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of water. Add all the seasonings to the minced pork. Stir in one direction with chopsticks. Add chopped Chinese chives. Mixed well. Set aside. Dust some flour on the work surface. Tip the rested dough on it. Knead it until smooth, about 3 minutes. Make a hole in the middle of the dough with your fingers. Form a donut shape. Cut the circle. Divide it into 2 parts. Take one part. Knead into a long cylinder. Divide it evenly into 12 pieces. Top with some flour. Flatten everyone. Roll them out wrappers with a rolling pin. Just like this. Get 12 wrappers. Put some fillings on the wrapper. Close the edges when rotating. Just like this. Finish a pork bun. Make a total of 12 stuffed buns. Do the same for the rest dough. Prepare 200 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of flour. Add the flour, water to a bowl. Mix well. Put a pan on a low heat. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil. Arrange 12 pork buns into pan. Pour in the flour water. Cover with a lid. Cook until the water is just dry, about 12 to 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat. You can see that the bottom of the buns are golden brown. Delicious pan-fried pork buns are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.